Welcome to my channel, the Turning Point Rock English channel. If you are new, subscribe my channel. Today we will learn 100 daily use English sentences. These are easy to practice and easy to learn. So watch full video for better learning. Let's start today's video. Ask me. Ask me. Speak up. Speak up. Speak softly. Speak softly. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Don't forget. Don't forget. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Stop talking. Stop talking. A little louder. A little louder. Don't mumble. Don't mumble. Don't cry again. Don't cry again. Do so. Do so. Use your mind. Use your mind. Think about it. Think about it. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. Start steady here. Start steady here. Try again. Try again. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Have food. Have food. Have water. Have water. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. Chew well. Chew well. Have your breakfast. Have your breakfast. Go straight. Go straight. Don't go. Don't go. Give it back. Give it back. Clean up. Clean up. Let me look. Let me look. Bring it. Bring it. Stay with us. Stay with us. Let's have dinner. Let's have dinner. I know. I know. What happened? What happened? Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Look at me. Look at me. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. I can tie my shoes. I can tie my shoes. It's bedtime now. It's bedtime now. Go inside. Go inside. Don't eat too much. Don't eat too much. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. I want this one. I want this one. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Are you afraid? Are you afraid? Can I go outside? Can I go outside? You are interesting. You are interesting. Respect others' opinions. Respect others' opinions. Stay happy and blessed. Stay happy and blessed. And keep watching and subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching.